we are really excited to be kicking off our partner reverse pitches for our MCFT 21 program. Joining us first is going to be a longtime partner of MassChallenge. They've partnered with the health tech program for a number of years, and we've been really excited to have them be one of our first FinTech partners. So joining me on stage now to issue the reverse pitch for the AARP team is Jacqueline Baker. Jacqueline, thank you so much for joining me. Why don't you introduce yourself to the community?
Absolutely. Thank you for having me, Shane. I'm Jacqueline Baker. I serve as the Vice President of Startup Programming within AARP Innovation Labs.
Awesome. Well, we're really huge fans of AARP over at MassChallenge, and I know you've done some awesome work with startups over the years. So talk to me a bit about what challenges you want to tackle with startups in the FinTech program this year.
Absolutely. So we actually provide a number of opportunities for startups to engage with us in the FinTech space. But to sum it up for you, we are specifically looking for startups that provide tools to allow people to support financially sound decisions for themselves and support their community. And so you may be thinking, well, give me some specifics around that. We're looking for continuing education solutions, transparency of cost solutions, how people can make their money last until they die. How can we support people living longer? Because that's absolutely happening. And we're also curious about how we can support people around challenges with healthcare costs as well.
No, those are really interesting challenges, and making your money last is definitely top of mind here. I would love to hear about what makes AARP such a great partner for startups to work with, for the startups listening in today.
Yeah, so you shared earlier in our conversation, or earlier in our back and forth, that we've been working with you for a number of years. We're proud to say we're both on the health tech side and the FinTech side as well. And one thing that we are very much dedicated to is making sure that we refine our process. While we're a large company, there's always an opportunity to make improvements. And that's the reason why year over year, we look at the process and the way that we engage with startups to make sure that we're effective, efficient, and that we are delivering value. We know that you, startups, like to move fast, you like to be effective, and we want to make sure that we support that. So that's one thing. We also like to make sure that we offer the services that we utilize internally to our startups. And that's one huge thing that we provide to our startups is access to our design thinking practice, making sure that we're keeping humans at the center of what we're doing, because that's who we're building for. And so we help our startups with focus groups and user testings, and sometimes even in-home testing as well. So those are just a few things that we provide to our startups. And I'll add on the end too, that we also offer investment opportunities as well, something that we're very proud to have added on in 2020. So those things and many more are what we're able to offer to our startups, and we're looking forward to next year's cohort.
I'm looking forward to it as well, and I'm sure a lot of folks in the crowd are looking forward to it. Jacqueline, thank you so much to you and the AARP team, and looking forward to another great year.
Absolutely. Thank you.